4 of your heart words. Good. Her. Little. Many. Now. Of. Some. There. Good. G-d. Good. Double O is a part of the sound spelling patterns. This double O is making an sound. Good. Her. Her. The ER makes an sound, just like IR and UR. Her. Little. When you have a word that has a double consonant, split the word in half at the double consonants. Read the first part first. O, I, T. This word also has the LE. LE takes 3. Tall. Little. Many. E. Many. The A in this word is making a short E sound. Many. And the Y is making an E sound because this is a 2-syllable word. Many. Now. Ow. The OW is a part of the sound spelling patterns. OW makes the ow sound. Now. Of. V. These 2 letters are not making its real sounds. The O in this word is making a short U sound, and the F is making a V sound, of. This entire word you just need to remember by heart. Some. Some. In normal words, a sneaky E makes the O say its name, but instead, the O is making a short U sound, and the E is just here with the M. Some. There. Air. There. The TH is a part of our digraphs. And the ERE, we just need to remember by heart. Air. There. Now it's your turn to practice your heart words. How'd you do, friends? Hey, friends, what word did you see Marty on? Many. Good job.